Hello students, you know we were reading about sea breeze and land breeze. These are the example of convection currents in the coastal areas. In previous class we have already discussed about the sea breeze. Sea breeze, they blow from the sea towards the land and they blow basically during the daytime. Now what happens during the land breeze? The wind blowing from the land towards the sea is known as land breeze. So land breeze is from land to the sea and it happens during the night time. This you have to remember. So during night time the land in the coastal area gets cooled down faster than the sea. I told you land is having the capacity to get heated up faster and to get cooled down faster, both ways. So during night time land gets cooled down faster as compared to the sea. The air above the sea is hotter, still hotter, because it takes time to get heated up and it also takes time to get cooled down. So during night time, throughout the day the sea water was getting heated up. Now the sea water is hot and the air above the land is comparatively cooler. So for example, this is the land, this is the sea. So here the sea water is hot, and if water is hot, the air which is in contact with the water, it will also become heated up, and on heating it becomes lighter because it expands on heating. It rises up. On becoming lighter, it rises up. Okay, and when it rises up, a vacuum is created here. Vacuum means empty space is created here. Vacuum is created here. So what happens? The cool air comes from the land towards the sea, and we know the land breeze blows during night time from land to sea, because we know the property of the air occupies space. Whenever some empty space, vacuum is created here, because whatever air was present in this region, it has gone upwards. So the air from the nearby land, it tries to come and fill this vacuum space. So this is called land breeze. Land breeze blows during night time and it blows from the land to the sea. And why it happens? Because during night time water is comparatively hot, and the air just in contact with the water, it gets heated up, it becomes lighter on heating, it moves upward, hot air moves upward, and the cool air comes and tries to occupy the vacuum. So this cool air is the land breeze which blows from the land towards the sea. So this is called land breeze. Now we will understand this with the help of nice diagram shown here. You can see now this is night time. During sun breeze it was, sea breeze it was daytime, but now it is land breeze. So now you can see here in this picture, now this is night time. So it has been shown with the help of one moon. So this is the land area and this is the water. Water gets heated up. We know that water gets heated up here, and it is, sorry, I will use the red. So water gets heated up and the hot air moves upward. Vacuum is created here. Vacuum means empty space. Air from the land tries to occupy this area, vacuum. So this is called land breeze. Land breeze blow from land towards the sea. It happens during the night time. So please revise well. Thank you very much.